Question is here, so that the semi-vertical angle of a right circular cone of given surface area and maximum volume is sine inverse 1 by 3. We have to prove that maximum volume is sine inverse 1 by 3. What is given here? So given is here surface area of a cone. So if surface area of a cone is given, it means area is constant here. Area is constant. So utilize the area and convert into a single variable. See here. This is a right circular cone. This is a right circular cone VAB. VAB is a right circular cone, and here the perpendicular. Okay, this is the center, suppose O here, and this is the radius R. R is the radius, and height of a cone B H. Height of a cone is H, that is here H, and L is the slant height. L is the slant height. So here it is perpendicular. So L is the slant height, H is the height, R is the radius. So here write solution. Let VAB be a right circular cone of radius R. Radius is R. OA is equal to R. And let VO is equal to H, VB is equal to L. L, where L is the slant height. Now, and surface area represented as S. Now S is equal to, here S means total surface area. So total surface area means lateral surface area of a cone and plus the here the radius of a circle. Here radius of a circle is there, means area of a circle plus curved surface area of a cone. So curved surface area of a cone is pi RL and the area of a circle is pi R square. So it implies here S minus pi R square is equal to pi R L. So L is equal to S minus pi R square divided by pi R. You got the slant height. L is equal to S minus pi R square by pi R. Because S here, S is constant because given surface area is given. It means S is constant. Which one is variable? Radius is variable. So here L is equal to S minus pi R square by pi R. Now, volume of a cone. We know that the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi R square H. So volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. So 1 by 3 pi R square. So So see here, according to Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to h square plus r square. H square plus r square. L square is equal to h square plus r square. So h square is equal to L square minus r square. So h square is equal to, or direct write here h. So h is equal to square root L square minus r square. H is equal to, here h is equal to square root L square minus r square. So put the value of h. So h is equal to square root L square minus r square. That is the volume V. Now we have to remove the square root here. So V square is equal to 1 by 9. Here 1 by 3 square is 9 into pi. Pi square become pi square. R square become r raised to the power 4. And here square root removed. L square minus r square. So V square is equal to 1 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4 L square minus r square. Now we have to put the value. We have to, our purpose to convert into a single variable, because here volume depends upon radius r and slant height L. So we have to convert into a single variable. So single variable we are using L is equal to S minus pi r square by pi r. So here volume V square is equal to 1 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4. Here L square become here S minus pi r square divided by pi r whole square minus r square. So see here, V square 1 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4 L square. So L square become S minus pi r square by pi r whole square minus r square. This r square. So V square, let V square is equal to Z. Let V square is equal to Z. V square equal to Z. So 1 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4. Here become S minus pi r square whole square divided by pi square r square minus r square. Here square root is pi square and r square, here whole square. So Z is equal to 1 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4. So now expand this one, S square plus pi square r raised to the power 4 minus 2s pi r square. Now pi r square minus r square become pi square r raised to the power 4 divided by pi square r square. So see here, this pi square r raised to the power 4 and this one cancel. Now we can cancel this one, pi square and pi square cancel. R square, yeah, r raised to 4, so become here r square. So Z is equal to 1 by 9 into r square. Here S square minus 2s pi r square. Now so z is equal to 1 by 9. Here s is common, so s is taken out, and r square multiply here, r square into s minus 2 pi r square multiply r square is r raised to the power 4. Here s square, so s is taken out, remaining s, so r square multiply s is r square s minus r square multiply r square r raised to the power 4, and 2 pi, here 2 pi is remain, so 2 pi. Now you got z. Now for maximum or minimum you have to differentiate z with respect to r. With respect to r, why r? Because here the function z is depends upon radius r. Here s is constant. So dz by dr is equal to s by 9. So here s is constant, here s is constant. So differentiation of r square is 2r, so 2rs minus 2 pi is constant. Differentiation of r raised to the power 4 is 4r cube. For critical points, put dz by dr equal to 0. Put dz by dr equal to 0. So s by 9 into 2rs minus 8 pi r cube is equal to 0. So see here, 2rs minus 8 pi r cube is equal to 0. So here 2r is common. Here 2r is common. 2r, and from here also 2r is taken out. So 2r is taken out. So here become s. Here become 4 pi r square. So here 2r multiply 4 pi r square. So 8 pi r cube, 2r is taken out, is equal to 0. So s minus 4 pi r square is equal to 0. So s is equal to 4 pi r square, because here r square 2r never be 0. So s is equal to 4 pi r square. So now we have to find out the value of here s is equal to 4 pi r square. Now s is equal to 4 pi r square. So s is equal r square is equal to s by 4 pi. Now again differentiating with respect to r. Again differentiating with respect to r. So see here, dz by dr, again differentiating dz by dr, so you will get d2z by dr square is equal to s by 9 here. So 2s is constant here. Here 2s is constant. So differentiation of r with respect to r is 1. So here become 2s. Here become 2s. Now here minus 8 pi is constant. 8 pi, 2 pi into 4 pi, 8 pi is constant, and differentiation of r cube is 3r square. So d2z by dr square, d2z by dr square is equal to s by 9 into 2s minus 24 pi r square. Now, so see here, s by 9, 2s minus, so s is equal to 4 pi r square, so 24 r square we can write like this, 6 into 4 pi r square. 24 pi r square we can write 6 into 4, 24 pi r square. So s by 9 is equal here 2s minus 6 into s. 4 pi r square is here. Here 4 pi r square is your s. 4 pi r square is s. Here s. It means s by 9 into minus 4s, which is less than 0. Here minus 4s square by 9, which is less than 0, equal to minus 4s square by 9, which is less than 0, hence it is maximum. It is maximum. Now you have to find out here when r square is equal to, s by 4 pi, when r square is equal to s by 4 pi, the volume of a cone is maximum. Volume of a cone is maximum when r square is equal to s by 4 pi. Now, surface area S is equal to pi RL plus pi R square. S is equal to, surface area is equal to pi RL, curved surface area of a cone, plus area of a circle. This is the total surface area of a cone. So S is equal to, we have S is equal to 4 pi R square is equal to pi RL plus pi R square. So transfer this one left side. So here become 4 pi R square. 4 pi R square minus pi R square is equal to pi RL. So 3 pi R square is equal to here pi RL. So L is equal to 3 pi R square by pi R. So here pi and pi cancel, 1 is cancelled here. L is equal to 3R. So now see here, this is a semi-vertical angle alpha. So semi-vertical angle is alpha. So sine alpha is equal to, sine is defined as opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Suppose this is alpha and this is your slant height and this is height, this is the radius. So R over L, R over L. So here R over L, L is equal to 3R. So L by R is equal to 3 by 1. So R by L is reciprocal, is 1 by 3. So is equal to 1 by 3. So sine alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So alpha is equal to sine inverse 1 by 3. So this is a semi-vertical angle. semi vertical angle alpha is equal to sin inverse 1/3, hence proved. Hence